seeing a lot of people mention their concern for AI data centers, water consumption, and electricity usage. And I wanted to look at the actual numbers, and I wanted to share with you what I discovered. Now, Google just released their actual data on this, and one AI prompt, like asking ChatGPT a question, uses about 0.24 watt hours of electricity. That sounds like a lot until it's compared to the Netflix equivalent of 1.2 seconds of a show. 1 hour of Netflix uses the same energy as 3,000 ChatGPT prompts. 3,000. Most people send maybe 10 to 20 AI prompts in a day, and that's 0.03% of household electricity. That's less energy than those little standby lights on your appliances that's wasted while you're sleeping. I also looked into the water issue, and here's what I found out. Data centers use water to cool servers, and that's true. Netflix also uses the same cooling systems. Instagram does too. So does the iCloud that backs up your computers and your phones. Same thing. Every single thing done online runs through a data center that uses water for cooling. AI just got singled out because it's the trendy thing to hate right now. Now here's the actual numbers. Cutting the average shower by 12 seconds saves enough water to run ChatGPT for an entire day. One hamburger uses more water than 360,000 AI queries. These are all facts. And I'm not one of those AI cheerleaders who's just going to go and pretend everything's okay and perfect. Because the way that some of these big tech companies are building their data centers is a real problem. In Georgia, a Meta data center is using 10% of the entire county's daily water supply, and people's wells are running dry. In Arizona, communities are fighting data center proposals because they're already dealing with drought. Over $64 billion worth of data center projects have been blocked or delayed because of communities that are pushing back, and they should be. I use AI daily, and I believe in AI. And I'm also telling you that some of these companies are moving way too fast and not taking care of the communities that they're building in. And that's not okay. But also, two things can be true at the same time. Personal use of AI is not destroying the planet, and refusing to use AI because of the environmental impact while binge watching Netflix every single night, but that's just not adding up. And it doesn't support your position. That being said, how these companies build their infrastructure matters, and we should hold them accountable. We should demand transparency, and we should support the communities that are being affected. But here's what we lose if AI gets shut down because of the bad headlines. AI is helping researchers find causes of Alzheimer's disease that they couldn't see before. It's detecting lung cancer more accurately than human doctors ever could. It's identifying epilepsy brain lesions that radiologists were missing. Now, there are so many more scientific advancements that wouldn't have been possible without it. This technology is literally saving lives, and it's also being used to solve climate issues. The companies building the infrastructure are investing in closed-loop cooling systems that are recycling water for years. Microsoft alone has committed to reducing their water usage by 95%. So things are getting better. And that's where I'm at. I'm not going to pretend that the problems don't exist, and I'm also not going to let bad faith arguments stop me from using and teaching this technology that's actually changing the world. Facts, not fear, not hype, just the actual facts and data. That's what this channel is about. I'm Jenna, and I'll see you in the next one.